Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to create a Monzo account in the USA. Easy to follow steps. First, download and open the Monzo app on your mobile device. Tap on I'm new to Monzo to start the registration process. Enter your email address. Tap Next and check your inbox for a verification email from Monzo. Click on the verification link to log into the app. Next, choose your preferred account type and enter your full name and date of birth. Then tap Next. Provide your home address and mobile number, after which you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code, confirm, and tap Yes Please to proceed. Then tap Get Started and answer a few security questions before clicking Next to verify your identity. I'm ready, and agree to the terms and conditions. Monzo will review your details, which may take up to 24 hours. Once approved, your account will be ready to use. That's it. Your Monzo account is now set up. Thank you for watching. Quick Tweak.